In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix chat error on Character AI. Let's get started. First, go ahead and launch the app on a device and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on your character and take a moment to check all the settings and options because sometimes chat errors can happen if something is not configured properly. Make sure everything is set the way you want and that there are not any obvious glitches. Next, it's really important to ensure your app is fully updated. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Character AI. Once app appears, if you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, since updates often fix bugs like this and improve overall performance. Another thing you should check is your internet connection, because an unstable connection can cause chat errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better and gives you a more stable experience. And that's basically it. These simple steps should help you fix the issue and get your chats working again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.